Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how to fetch out the details of all the stocks listed in BSE and NSE in Microsoft Excel. For this, first we have to get the names of the stocks which are listed in BSE and NSE, and for which I will go to the BSE website and I will drop the link below in the description box for access. And here I will click on segment, then I will select equity, and in status I will select active. And once you submit this, it will list out all the stocks in BSE. Then I will just click on the download button, which will give me an Excel file which have all this data like security code, issuer name, group, face value, everything will be there. What I will do is that I will just retain the security code and the security name. I'll just delete all the unwanted data from here, and if you want this you can retain them, but I will just delete for the ease. Okay, now we have the security code and security name, but we don't have its price, market capital, volume, low, high, everything is missing. For this, what I will do is that I will just select a particular cell, then I will go into data, then I will click on the stocks, data, then stocks. What this will do is that it will fetch out the information from the internet, and now if I click on this little icon, it will give me all the details which are relevant to this particular stock, like its price, previous close, market capital, open, high, everything will be there. In order to get this data for all the stocks, I'll just place my cursor here, then I will, what I do is a Control Shift down arrow to select all the stocks, then again I will click on the stocks to get the details from the internet, and this will take a while depending on the net speed and the capabilities of your machine. And be mindful that I am using Office 365 for this, and I will just fast forward this just for the ease. Now we have all the information relating to those particular securities, and you can do the same by selecting the name instead of the code. Just for example, I will just select this security, then I will click on this stock. Again, it will fetch the information based on the name of the security instead of the code. And say for example, if there is a spelling mistake like Indian Hotels North, I will just delete this. So now if I click on the stock, it will give me an error like question mark. So it is asking me like which stock is this. So search bar will pop up and I will search for Chotel Hotel. Then it will give me all the options which are listed, and since we have selected the stocks from BSE, I will select this. So it will give me the information of the security which I have selected from the search bar if there is an error, and in some cases there won't be any data relevant to those particular stocks, so just ignore them. And now if I click on this, there will be a small icon or pop-up which says as insert data. From here I can fetch out whatever the information that I need, like 52-week high, low, market capital, previous close, what type of industry it is, everything will be there. So I will just click on its previous close. So this is its previous close. I had to expand this particular column, so here it is previous close. I will just add one more information. Again, I will click on this particular icon. I will add market capital. Okay, so this is market capital. I will just create a table using this. I will just select this particular row, then Control Shift down arrow. I will go to insert, then table. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now in order to fetch or to get these details for all the stocks, I'll just click on this cell, Control Shift down arrow, then Control D. So it will fetch out all the available information in the internet for the particular stocks. I'll expand this. So these are the data which are relevant to those particular stocks. So like this, we can fetch out whatever the information that we need regarding to the particular stock. Now it is from BSE, so I will rename this sheet as BSE. And we can follow the same procedure to get the details of the stocks which are listed in NSE. For this, I will just create one more sheet and I will rename this as NSE. And to get the names of the stocks which are listed in NSE, I will go to the NSE website And again, I will drop this link in the description box for access. Now I will click on the securities available for equity segment, which will give me an Excel file which has all the information of the stocks which are listed in NSE. It's not opening. No. Again, I will download this. Okay, now we have the details like name of the company, its symbol, series, date of listing, and we don't need this information, so I will delete this. I will just copy this data and I will place it in my file. And we can again fetch the information by using symbol or the name of the company. To fetch out the data, I will just click on symbol, again go to data, then stocks. So it will give me all the relevant data relating to this particular security. Now if I click on this icon, it will give me market capital will be there, or its previous close, everything will be there. So whatever the information you need, just click on this particular icon, then just select it, like its previous close, everything will be there. Just go to this particular data, click on stocks, then this little icon. Okay, that's it. You can just follow the same thing what we did for the stocks which are listed in BSE, and you will find out all the information on the NSE stocks. So that's it for this video, folks, and don't mind that this is only for educational purpose. And if you have any doubts or concerns, just put in the comment box and I will try to resolve those things in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications on our future uploads. Thank you.